Okay, so this question asks for the time would it take for the bird to reach the terminal roof of Birmingham International Airport, given that it is moving at a constant speed of 18 meter per second. And his initial location is close to First Avenue South and 14th Street in Birmingham. So the formula to determine time is this. Speed is equals to distance over time, right? Then time is equals to the distance over the speed. What we need to determine from the Google Earth is the distance. It was stated that the bird travel at a straight line. So suppose this is the